So, there we go. Do an intro. You're the one playing. This is my friend playing Slime Rancher on his Xbox One.
Let's get right into it.
Let's get started.
Yeah,
Do a cat slime.
what?
Do a cat slime.
A cat slime?
Cat slime.
Cat slime.
Cat slime. Cats are cute, so cat slime is good.
Okay.
I've actually never played this game before. I've seen people play this. How did you get this for free?
I bought it.
You did?
Well, I got it off of Xbox Live.
Wait, it was free?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I have a number. 1,000 light years away from Earth. Planet known as the Far, Far Range. Okay, this is freaking, like, ripped right out of Star Wars? Holy
Yeah.
shit.
I've never played this.
You
This
have
is pretty
pink
easy.
slime.
Let's put this in. Oh, yeah.
Is that what you're supposed to do?
I don't know. Well, I'm pretty sure.
It's pink slime.
Oh, yeah.
And a pink plort. What the hell's a plort? It didn't go inside.
Get in there.
What's up with this game?
Oh, okay. Kobe. Damn it. Thought I was Steph Curry for a second.
That it was what?
I thought I was Steph Curry. Oh, no. I suck.
Yeah, you do.
Get this. Okay. I am rich. I got a whole $260.
Nice. So just to let you know, we can't go over 15 minutes for the video. Because I got a YouTube restriction on that. I can't do it unless I enter something on the computer.
Do I pick up all these slimes?
Pretty soon I'll be uploading things on a laptop.
What? I didn't.
We can't upload this.
Why?
Yeah, are you gonna get copyright?
How?
Smile More has a watermark on it.
As an R.
That's a watermark. Nah, whatever, I'll upload it anyways.
It's not a. It's just.
It's not a
just
trademark.
clothing brand.